Welcome to Finextra TV. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here at Money 2020 in Amsterdam. Joining me now, the CEO of Railsr is Nigel Verdon. Great to see you, Nigel. Thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us.
Good to see you again, Hannah. I think this is every year we go to this together.
I know, it's really good to catch up. And I can see, looking at your stand, I know that you've had a name change, Railsr. So can you walk us through the name change?
Yes, we changed the name because we think bank in the name holds us back. And banking is very much something that's archaic. It's something that has negative connotations attached to it. And also our product set goes outside banking, which I think we're going to talk about in a few minutes. And so looking to the future, we removed the name bank because it means more to our customers as Railsr, because rails are what opened up the West Coast to the gold rush, and the R is all about revenue, relevance and relationships as what we help our customers with their consumers.
That's right. Well, thanks very much for bringing us up to date. And I want to hear a bit more about how Railsr is intending to drive consumer finance. And I know that you've had another exciting announcement today, the introduction of reward as a service. So you expand on that for us.
Sure, it's our customers, I think, will drive consumer finance. And so we're giving them the tools to help them do that. And one of the new exciting tools we've released today is our rewards as a service. Now, why have we done that? The reason is if you've got a card or a wallet and everything, you want usage of that. And hence, rewards motivate usage. And so we help our customers drive usage of their wallets, their accounts, their product. And then we have the data that can show the cause and effect of reward to offer and to be able to drive usage. So rewards, you can run your own branded points and everything and make them fungible into money and spendable. So it's super flexible capability for you to own your rewards program and motivate your consumers to use your product.
And that's why you've got in big letters, old finance is dead. So I'm talk a bit more about that and tell us where are you seeing the biggest sort of waves of disruption in this space?
Sure, we're sort of slightly cheeky say old finance is dead. I think it's really about the industry is restructuring, and it's restructuring in front of us. If you look what Goldman have done with Marcus, they've taken the balance sheet and abstracted everything else away from it and opened the balance sheet out to the fintech world. And that's where we see the structure of the finance industry going forward. People like ourselves managing all the distribution and origination of, say, credit, and also the pipes into the clearing of sterling and euros. The balance sheet of the banks playing a different role, but being the center of risk and holding of risk. Just like the music industry, when iTunes came out, record labels owned it all. Now record labels are still there, but their role in the industry has changed. So we're seeing a moving of the industry like we saw in music, and we call that old finance.
Sure, and it's not just music, it's sport as well. I know you have a lot of fun at Railsr, so tell us, how is Fintech disrupting sport? Tell us about that.
So in sport, the issue that sports clubs, associations have is they don't know all their fans. There is a very famous UK football club which has a stadium that has around 60,000 people in the stadium, and their fan club has 120,000 subscriptions, and they claim 90 million fans around the world. They don't know who they are. And so using cards, using reward, using wallets, using sponsorship offers, you can then start to engage with those fans. So finance becomes a strategic tool to know who all your fans are, monetize them with them, generate revenue, relationships and relevance back to the club. So that's where we see the role of fintech, as you say, or embedded finance experiences within the world of sport.
Fascinating stuff, Nigel. As always, thank you so much for sharing your insights and coming away from a very busy event to speak with me, and look forward to catching up next year.
Yeah, thank you, Hannah, for an invitation yet again, another year, and we'll, I'm sure, talk again next year. Thank you.